how to add cleaning fee on Airbnb, and we are going about here to understand how we can start to understand on the situation that you should be right here. So that is still to be really satisfied with the very important levels that is going to be about right now, guys. So that is really everything that it should be really satisfied for going on with a very good moment that we deal. So what we are going to do is about to go over here, open your listing on pricing. So we go click on pricing here, but it actually doesn't appear. So we gonna see that we are going to be right now, guys, scroll to cleaning fee to enter your desired amount. So the fee that should be about right here is about, cleaning fee. And then as you can see, to deal with that, start to search about it. It gives you some results that it should be about, right, guys? And then as you can see, it will give you here some steps to go to calendar and then start to deal with that, to start searching for no trip box. You deal to pricing, additional charges, and then cleaning fee. And that is all about. And I hope you see this video helpful, and thank you for watching this video, and good luck for making this kind of moment more important.